My dear friends, today I'll be discussing the benefits of taking zinc through our diet and how zinc helps in maintaining our normal health and in various disease conditions. So zinc is a essential nutrition or essential mineral which cannot be produced by our body, neither we can store it. So we have to rely on the supply through our diet. So regular intake of zinc is very much essential because it promotes normal function of body in various ways and it also prevents risk of various diseases. So today we will discuss about the role of zinc in health and in disease condition and how it helps in maintenance of our normal health. As already told, it is a very much essential mineral and it has lots of actions like it improves the gene expression, so it works by increasing the gene expression. It also boosts up immunity, it also promotes various enzymatic reaction, and it also helps in protein synthesis. Besides, it also helps in DNA synthesis and promotes wound healing and growth and development of various cell and helps in cellular signaling mechanism. So gene can work at the by increasing the DNA synthesis, protein synthesis at the cellular mechanism. Though it is a mineral, it can work by increasing the DNA at genetic level by DNA synthesis, genetic expression, and new protein synthesis. So let's see how zinc can benefit us and prevent us from various diseases, and in how it is forms a very much important essential mineral for our body. So number one benefit of zinc is that it boosts our immunity. So in this pandemic season, COVID-19 season, that world is running after a deadlier virus, that is coronavirus, which transmitted through droplet infection very fast, and at the same time lakhs of people are infected throughout the world with many thousands of deaths throughout the world. So we have to boost our immunity, and to boost our immunity by natural method, one of the important mineral is zinc. So zinc boosts our immunity, it improves the WBC count, it improves the T cell proliferation, and directly or indirectly it plays important role in boosting our immune cells. It has been found that those persons suffering from zinc, they have low T cell count in their blood and their cell mediated immunity is hampered. So proper intake of zinc through our diet can boost our immunity, increase our immune response in against the virus and bacteria, can prevent us from common cold. It also helps in fighting against any foreign particles, and at the same time it is sensitize the immune cells in response to a foreign antigen. So it is a immunosensitizer, and thus it is can plays important role in fighting against various viral infection as well as bacterial infection. So in this COVID-19 season, if you want to boost our immunity, so zinc is very much important mineral. Next important point or important function zinc helping us is it also accelerates wound healing. So zinc is related with healing of the wounds. So zinc deficiency person may show poor wound healing, and thus for burn patient or ulcer patients or skin injury patients, zinc supplements are always given either locally or orally, because zinc as a whole, it also accelerates the wound healing, it decreases the delay of wound healing, and at the same time it can be used in burn patients or in skin injury patients or ulcer patients. Even it can be used in eczema patients also. So thus it forms a very much important therapeutic measure for skin patients also or dermatological diseases. Besides that, zinc is also responsible for prevention of another important disease known as age-related macular degeneration. It's an eye disorders which occurs because of aging process and ultimately leads to the macular problem, and thus it reduces the risk of getting these ophthalmological complication, that is age-related macular degeneration. Zinc also helps in prevention of pneumonia. So as I already told, zinc is an important immunoboosting substance or mineral. It helps in proper stimulation of the immune system in response to a viral infection. So it prevents pneumonia. So in this COVID-19 season, zinc supplements should be taken so that it boosts our immunity and helps in fighting against the virus. Besides, zinc also responsible for treatment of acne. Acne is a skin problem because some hormonal problem. So skin eruption occurs and that is called acne. So zinc plays important role in treatment of acne. Zinc is also responsible for suppression of chronic inflammation. So by decreasing inflammation, it helps in prevention of various chronic disease. So zinc is also plays important role in prevention of various disease as it is an anti-inflammatory mediator. It prevents chronic inflammation to harm our whole body and prevention of chronic illness. Another important function of zinc is that it can be used in treatment of diarrhea. Now those subjects or children who are suffering from chronic diarrhea, they can try with zinc supplements, and it has been found that zinc deficiency may lead to diarrhea also. And zinc therapy or after zinc supplementation, the incidence of diarrhea gradually go down. So it prevents diarrhea also. Another important function of zinc is that it helps in maintenance of our brain health, normal brain health. So it helps in learning and memory. So zinc is also responsible for maintenance of our normal memory and learning. So it also helps in maintaining our normal cognitive function of brain. So zinc deficiency patient may undergo memory loss also or cognitive decline. So that's why zinc is also, we must add zinc in day-to-day life activity or correct the zinc deficiency, and it may hamper our brain health and patient may suffer from memory loss and defect in learning. Zinc can be used for treatment of common cold. Now we already discussed that zinc is very much essential because it boosts our immunity. So common cold is a situation where which suffers from influenza virus or any viral infection. So zinc actually plays important role in boosting our immunity and fighting against the common cold. Zinc also helps in wound healing and decreasing the wound healing time. So it helps in accelerating the wound healing. So zinc deficiency patients may suffer from defect in wound healing or poor wound healing. So zinc also helps in proper wound healing or healing of the injuries or eruptions. And it has been found that in case of patients suffering from infertility, zinc deficiency may be there, which means that zinc may plays important role in maintaining normal reproductive function of a male. It may be responsible for male infertility if the zinc deficiency persists. So zinc, it helps in increasing the or improving the quality of sperm. It increases the sperm motility, sperm count, and at the same time it prevents any sperm abnormality. So it improves the overall quality of the sperm, and thus it helps in human fertility. It helps in maintaining normal fertility of male. Another important function of zinc is that it also can be a therapeutic strategy in case of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. It is a disorder which commonly occurs in children, and students become less attentive to the studies and the person become very much hyperactive to external stimulus. So that is a neuropsychiatric manifestation of some actually it is a psychiatric condition or psychological disorder, and zinc may help in treatment of this attention deficit hyperactive disorder, which is very much common in children. Zinc along with calcium, vitamin D and other nutritional supplement can also help in the treatment of osteoporosis. It prevents bone decay or osteoclastic activity, can help in bone deposition or calcium deposition in the bone and help in bone formation. So it prevents osteoporosis or helps in formation of bone, increase the bone strength, and thus along if provided along with other minerals, vitamins like vitamin D and calcium, it helps in treatment of osteoporosis or prevent osteoporosis. Beside, it also helps in treatment of Wilson disease. Now, in Wilson disease, actually, it is because of copper toxicity, because of excessive intake of copper in the body, or because of excessive reabsorption of copper in the body, or because of any means there is copper will deposit in the various parts of the body. It may deposit in the liver, it may lead to liver cirrhosis, or it may deposit in the kidney or in the pancreas and may cause various systemic complications. So, zinc actually can be used in treatment for Wilson disease. Zinc actually prevents reabsorption of copper from intestine, and thus it decreases the copper level in the blood, and it can help in treatment of a Wilson disease, which is a disease because of defect in copper metabolism, excessive deposition of copper in the body because of rise of copper level in the blood. So zinc plays an important role in copper metabolism in Wilson disease or in treatment of Wilson disease, and zinc decreases the reabsorption of copper from the intestine. Now, other mechanism or other functions of zinc is that it can be used for the treatment of zinc deficiency. Now, zinc deficiency may lead to a condition known as acrodermatitis enteropathica, which may have some GIT manifestation. Patient may present with diarrhea, and it may have some skin problem also. So acrodermatitis enteropathica is a condition which involves the dermatology or skin. At the same time, it may have some gastrointestinal manifestation like diarrhea, and zinc deficiency may lead to this condition. So zinc can be used in treatment of the acrodermatitis enteropathica because it occurs because of zinc deficiency, and patient may manifest with some skin abnormality as well as skin and gastrointestinal manifestation like diarrhea. Besides, zinc can be used for treatment of a condition known as anorexia nervosa, which is a eating disorder or neurological basis of eating disorders. So zinc may help in treatment of anorexia nervosa, where person cannot take food, and zinc may increase and patient will lose weight in case of anorexia nervosa, and zinc intake may gradually increase the weight, and it may increase the appetite also, and thus it helps in treatment of anorexia nervosa, which is a eating disorder. Besides, zinc is also plays important role in proper skin health, in giving nutrition to the skin and prevent skin eczema and ulceration and proper wound healing after skin injuries. So it also helps in proper maintenance of skin health. Another important preventive function of zinc is that it can prevent colorectal adenoma, or it can prevent colorectal adenoma to convert into malignant form. Zinc along with other minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C and selenium can prevent cancer like colorectal cancer also. Besides, persons suffering from common cold, if they take zinc, their sign symptoms will decline very fast, or it helps in rapid curing of common cold or viral infections because it boosts our immunity, that we have already discussed. It also decreases the risk of getting depression, or in depressive patient also zinc can be advised as it prevents depression. Zinc can be important for treatment of diabetes mellitus. Zinc has a quality, or it can decrease blood sugar level, it can increase the insulin level, prevent insulin resistance, and decrease the blood cholesterol level. So it prevents in normalization of the blood cholesterol level, decrease the blood sugar level, and thus it can help in treatment of diabetes. So zinc along with manganese can prevent the risk of getting diabetes. At the same time, it helps in maintenance of the blood sugar level in case of diabetic patient, and also helps in lowering the cholesterol level in case of hypercholesterolemia or hyperlipidemia patients. It also prevents gingivitis, inflammation of gums. Any infection of the gums, zinc deficiency may leads to gingivitis. So it can be prevent gingivitis also. Zinc can be also helps in increasing the wound healing or prevent foot sores or foot infection in case of diabetic patient. Now diabetic patient superimposed with some infection in the legs may lead to diabetic foot, which may be need amputation also in very much complicated cases, which also may lead to diabetic gangrene. So zinc accelerates the wound healing and prevents development of diabetic foot, and it helps in prevention of foot sore formation in case of diabetic patient. It both helps in treatment of diabetes as well as it also prevents the formation of foot sores in diabetic patient. Another important function of zinc is that it prevents foul smelling of our breath or bad breath. It refreshes our breath and prevent or maintain normal oral hygiene. So zinc also prevent our bad breath or foul smelling from our mouth. So in this case, in this mechanism also, zinc is also very much beneficial for our health. Besides that, it can be used in treatment of herpes labialis, which is a skin problem of the face or herpes infection of the face. So herpes labialis can be prevented by zinc therapy. Besides that, zinc deficiency may leads to hypogeusia. So it may also helps in treatment of hypogeusia. Zinc deficiency can also prone the person to Kala-Azar by Leishmania infection. So zinc can be used for treatment of Leishmania or Kala-Azar patient also. Zinc has been found to be very effective in leprosy therapy along with other drugs. If zinc supplements are given in leprosy patients, it can accelerate the healing of the wounds as well as it can treat the disease better. Zinc also prevents osteoporosis, as I told before, along with calcium, vitamin D, other minerals, and vitamin C also. It prevents osteoporosis and help in the calcium deposition in the bone and helps in proper bone growth. Zinc also helps in wound healing. I already told you, and in ulcer patient also it can be used, and it prevents stomach ulcer development. So zinc deficiency may associate with stomach ulcer, so it also helps in prevention of stomach ulcer. At the same time, it helps in stomach ulcer in ulcer patients. It also helps in treatment of bed sores. Bed sores are nothing but a type of skin eczema or ulceration that occur in a point of dependent for the patients who are lying on a particular point for longer time. So it happens in patients who cannot move their legs, or because of stroke, when there is paraplegia or hemiplegia or spinal shock, patient becomes unstable and become immobile. So for neurologically almost paralyzed, for those patients, chance of bed sore is very much high. So zinc plays importance in prevention of or treatment of bed sores because zinc promotes wound healing. Another important function of zinc is that it can be used in treatment of sickle cell anemia. Now, zinc deficiency may be associated with sickle cell anemia, or in sickle cell anemia patients, zinc deficiency has been observed. So, zinc can be associated with, or it can be used in treatment of sickle cell anemia. Besides, it also helps in ulcer healing. Just like wound healing, it also helps in wound ulcer healing. So zinc has so many functions. It can boost our immunity. It helps for wound healing. It can accelerate healing of the wounds. It also maintains skin health, and it can prevent inflammation. It helps in promotion of fertility. So it has so many versatile functions. So zinc is very much essential for our body. So you can add Zincovit or vitamins which contain zinc in your diet as a supplement. And zinc is present in various food sources like beans, fish, meat, dairy product. So especially in fish, meat and beans, vegetables like beans contain lots of zinc. So we should, those persons suffering from zinc deficiency can get their zinc supplements from various foods. And zinc deficiency can be associated with disease like Crohn's disease, which is a irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel syndrome. Here the person may suffer from altered constipation or diarrhea, or that I will not discuss here, but this Crohn's disease may associated with zinc deficiency. Beside, zinc deficiency can be also seen in vegans, because most of the source of zinc is in animal source, meat or fish and dairy product. So those are 100% vegan or 100% vegetarian. For them the chance of getting zinc deficiency is very much high. Another important mechanism or zinc or patients those are suffering from zinc deficiency is pregnancy and lactating mothers. So during pregnancy and mothers who are lactating, they can have zinc deficiency. Zinc deficiency may be associated with sickle cell anemia also, and it has been found that treatment with zinc in those patients can improve the condition of the sickle cell anemia. Zinc deficiency can be also seen in alcoholics, and that's why alcoholics may suffer from poor wound healing, because zinc helps in wound healing or normal wound healing and skin care also. So we must be conscious, especially in those subjects like alcoholics, then sickle cell anemia, then Crohn's disease, then 100% vegan, then pregnant mothers and breastfeeding or lactating mothers. For them, chance of zinc deficiency is very much high, and for them special care should be taken. They can take Ginkgo or any other zinc supplements along their, or special vitamins along with zinc, and to prevent zinc deficiency. Zinc deficiency may lead to a condition known as acrodermatitis enteropathica, which involves the skin as well as GIT. So patient may present with diarrhea as well as skin eczema or dermatological complication. So this is overall the function of zinc and how it helps in maintenance of our normal health and various systemic medical condition also it helps in treating. Thank you very much.